participants to join. Is the subject okay? Are you following the subject, or you have any problems? If you have any problems, please let me know. We will solve. Hello? Hello? Hello, everyone?
Hello, sir.
Hello,
Are you following the subject?
sir.
Okay, if you have any issues, please let me know. Okay, if you are not following properly, or if you have any difficulties understanding any concept, we'll sort it out. Okay, we have not completed, we have not covered lot. We are still in the first topic only. Maybe today, may not be today. And one more thing, tomorrow we have one class, right? There is one examination duty for the 4th years. For that, what I'm thinking to do is, shall I take a class in the evening around 6 to 7, in between 6 to 7?
Sir.
Okay, is it okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Tomorrow maybe we have one class in the morning or afternoon. During that time there will not be any class, DCS class. Instead, I am taking the class in the evening, 6 to 7, around that time. Okay, in between that time, I will inform you tomorrow. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, you can relax during that time, and we will do this class in the evening. Participants are not increasing, they are still 29. Maybe they are thinking attendance has been taken, no need to join the class again. It's okay, let's continue. So this table, in this table, what we have written is, if we add two binary numbers, okay, two binary digits, 0 0, all the possible combinations. What are the possible combinations we can have? 0 0. We are trying to see what happens when you add two numbers, two binary numbers. Now, what are the two possible combinations? What are the possible combinations for the binary numbers? Both may be 0 0 0, 1 may be 1, first one may be 1, second one is 0. First one is 0, second one is 1. That is another combination. So there are three combinations, or both can be 1 1. So these are the only four combinations that exist. Okay. So for 0 0 combination, sum, we are adding these two numbers. Sum is 0, carry is 0. For this second combination, 0 1, sum is 1, carry 0. For this combination, 1 0, sum is 1, carry 0. For this combination, when both digits are 1 1, sum is 0, carry 1. 1 plus 1 is equivalent to 2. In decimal, the 2 in decimal is equivalent to 1 0. This 1, extra 1 is called carry. Okay, this is called 0. Okay, this is called sum. And in the difference, a minus b, a, b, 0 minus 0 means we are subtracting b from a. 0 minus 0 is difference 0. We are not taking any borrow, because 0 minus 0 is 0, borrow is also 0. And 1, when you subtract 1 from 0, 1 cannot go from 0, so we have to take borrow. That's why we have written borrow here. And when you have borrow with 0, so 1, it is not just 0 now, it is 1 0. When you subtract 1 from 1 0, what we get is difference 1. 1 0 means 2. What is the equivalent 1 0 in decimal? 2. When you subtract 1 from 2, what we get is difference 1. Since we have taken borrow, we get borrow here. And next combination is 1 0. Okay, and 0 nicely goes from 1 leaving 1. Okay, so 1 minus 0 is 1, difference 1. There is no borrow here since we have not taken any borrow, so borrow is 0 only. And 1 minus 1, this combination a minus b means subtract 1, this one from this one. This one nicely goes from 1 leaving 0 as the difference. Since there is no need for the borrow, so we have borrow 0 here. That is the difference and borrow. This difference and borrows are useful in carrying out the subtraction. This sum and carry, these things are useful in carrying out the addition. Okay, binary addition. And here we have shown the product. When you multiply two binary numbers which are zeros, both of them are zeros, 0, one is 0, other one is 1, then 2, the product is 0. The first one is 1, second one is 0, then also the product is 0. If both are 1, if both the binary bits are 1, then only the product is 1. In other cases, the product is 0. It is something like this. When you multiply any number with 0, okay, the product result is 0. Okay, if at least one number is 0 in the product, then the product is 0. Okay, next let's do some example binary additions. Okay, please unmute who is having noise around them. Please participants who is having noise around them, they should mute their mics. Okay, who is sitting in the quiet environment, they may unmute their mics so that you can respond to me. I can follow, I can know what is happening, whether you are following or not, and so on, so on, any issues and so on. Okay, if you are sitting in a nice environment, otherwise in a bus moving somewhere, then you can unmute your mics. If you are sitting in a quiet room, then unmute your mic so that you can respond to me. So by using this, let's do some examples of binary addition and subtraction. Okay, this is binary addition. Now how binary addition is carried out, just like decimal normal addition. Okay, this is one number 1111.01. This is one number. Okay, this is one number, and here this number is added with second one 0111.10. So here there are four digits in the integral part and 2 in the fractional part. This number is added with this number. How two numbers are added normally? They are added digit wise. The first digit is added, first digit in the first number is added with the first digit in the second number. Second digit in the first number is added with the second digit in the second number. Third digit in the first number is added with the third digit in the second number. Means corresponding numbers are added. Okay, corresponding numbers are added means first one here, they are added. Second one here, they are added. Corresponding numbers are added. That is how we carry out the addition, binary addition. Let's see. Now 1 plus 0, how much is 1 plus 0? 1. According to the table, okay, 1 plus 0. This is the sum, this is the carry. 1 plus 0 is this combination. Sum is 1, carry is 0. So 1 plus 0 is 1. 0 plus 1 is again 1. Okay, dot, since we have dot here, keep this dot here. And 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1 is 1 0. Okay, 1 plus 1, what is this? 1 plus 1, carry is 1, sum is 0. Look at this table, carry is 1, sum is 0. Okay, so 1 plus 1 is sum is 0. Write down the sum below, write down the carry up here. Okay, this is the carry which has come by adding these two numbers, these two digits. That's why I have written here. Okay, now this carry is added with this now 1 plus 1. Again we have to add this result with this carry. So 1 plus 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equivalent to 1 1. What is 1 plus 1 plus 1 in decimal? 3. What is that equivalent to? 1 1 in binary. So 1. Sum is 1, carry is also 1. So write down the sum down here, write down the carry up here. Okay. Again, we have the same combination, 1 plus 1 plus 1. The answer is sum 1, carry is also 1. Write down the carry up here and sum down here. Okay. 1 plus 1 plus 0. 1 plus 1 plus 0 is nothing but 1 plus 1. Sum is 0. Write down the carry up here. So this carry comes directly here because these are, you can think in these places we have zeros. 1 plus. In the last class, we have completed binary addition, right? Binary addition means how do we add two binary numbers? Just like how we add numbers in decimal system, exactly in the same way we add these binary numbers, right? And there is binary subtraction also. Okay, how we subtract two binary numbers? It is in the same way how we have done in the decimal system, how we usually do in the decimal system, right? So this is one example. This is one example. This is one binary number. Its equivalent in decimal is 18.75. There is another binary number. Its equivalent decimal is 12.50. And we have to subtract 12.50 from 18.75. Now how do we do it? Corresponding bits will be subtracted, and if one bit will not go from the other, then we have to take the borrow. In this example, 1 minus 0 is 1, 1 minus 1 is 0. Okay, and dot comes down here. 0 minus 0 is 0, 1 minus 0 is 1 itself, and 1, 0 minus 1. Since this 1 cannot go from the 0, we have to take borrow. So borrow comes here. These are all borrows. Okay, now what we get? 1 0. When you subtract 1 from 1 0 after taking borrow, this 0 will get additional 1. So this 0 is not 0, it is 1 0 now. 1 minus 1 0 minus 1 is 1, means 1 minus 2. 1 0 is 2. Okay, 1 minus 2, sorry 2 minus 1 is 1, borrow is 1. So now 1 minus 1 is 0. Okay, and after taking this borrow, this 1 becomes 0. 0 minus 0 is 0, and its equivalent is 6.25. Is it covered in the, is it completed in the last class? Ma, is it completed?
No, sir.
Okay,
No,
next,
sir.
binary multiplication and division. Here how we compute by multiplication division? It is same as decimal multiplication and division, except that we have ones and zeros here. Okay, take up this example. Look at this example. We have one number here, 110001.1. Its equivalent decimal is 25.5. And there is another number 110.1. Its equal decimal is 6.5. Okay, and we have to multiply these two numbers. Okay, how we carry out multiplication? In the, just as how we do it in the decimal system. Now let's see, multiply this number. Okay, this number 11001.1, this number with 1, this one, and write down here. When you multiply this with 1, what we get? The same number as it is. Okay, the same number. So write down this number as it is without decimal points. Just ignore decimal points now. Later we will place the correct decimal point. Okay, now this is the result when you multiply this one with this first digit. Okay, ignore the decimal points now. Next, we have to multiply this thing again with 0. So when you multiply something with 0, what we get is 0, all zeros. Now we have to leave one place here and write down the result after this, starting from the second bit onwards. Okay, starting with the second bit onwards, leaving the first place blank. Next, again multiply this number with this one. Okay, this one we have completed, this one and also this one. Now with this one, okay, multiply this number with this one. What we get is the same number. Now where we have to place that number? Leaving two digits. Okay, this is one digit, two digits. Write down the result from starting from the third digit onwards. Okay, like this. And we have done with the first three digits. Now multiply this with this one. Okay, now what we get is the same thing. Write down here, leaving three decimal digits. Okay, three digits, 1 2 3, leaving three digits. Write down this number here. Now this is the result after multiplying this first line number. This first number is the result after multiplying this one. The second number is the result after multiplying this with this, and so on, so on. Okay, now carry out the addition. So 1 comes down here, 1 plus 0 is 1. Okay, and 0 plus 0 plus 1 is 1, and 0 plus 0 plus 1 plus 1 is 1 0. See this one, 0 plus 0 plus 1 plus 1 is same as 1 plus 1, which is 1 0. Okay, 1 is the carry. That's why I have written here and circled it. Okay, means this is the carry. Sum is the 0. Write down the sum down here, carry up here, and circle it so that it is not part of the number. Okay, it is not part of the previous results. It is a carry which is got from the previous addition. Okay, so circled it, and we have to add this carry with the all these numbers. 1 plus 0 plus 0 plus 1 plus 1. So we have how many ones? 3 ones. If we add 3 ones, what we get? Someone carry also 1. Okay, someone carry also 1. So someone carry 1. This carry is to be added with these numbers, these digits. 1 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 1. It is 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 is 1 0. So 1 becomes the carry, which is written here and also circled it, and sum is 0. Sum is written here. Next, now this carry is to be added with these numbers. So 1 plus 1 is 1 0. 1 is the carry, 0 is the sum. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 1 1. This is the sum. Sum is 1, carry is also 1. Okay, which is circled. So 1 plus 1 is 0. Sum is the 0, carry is 1. Now there are no numbers here other than carry. So carry comes down here. So the result is 165.75. Okay, this is in decimal. Okay, that is about multiplication. That is about multiplication. Now let's see division. Divide the binary numbers. Divide the binary numbers. This is the number to be divided with what? 11001. 11001. So you write down this number here and something like this in this brackets. Write down with what this number is to be divided. With what? 11001. So you perform normal division as we do it in the decimal. You try this out. Okay, maybe in the first attempt you will not be able to